Dr. Amanwa, Director of Health Services, Ulayatho, Banakini, Sispa, Arpoingut, Kibayo, Tomayo, COVID-19, Mentakasini, Kakandai, Unai Lor, Laipungut Kidena East Council District, Hakaba, Arpungut Kidiki, high risk contact, Langut Naka random sampling, Nakiting Road, Arngut Naka Armed Force, Paramilitary Force, Soundwood, Nakito Kibadon, Yakajingpang, Basirim, Yakbayong Kli, Neka influenza like illness, Iway Naka random sampling, na Police Bazaar. Ki Arngut na Riboy District, Kilong Iway naka armed force paramilitary force but Iway naka high risk contact. Ki Sangut na South Garo Hills Kiribaro naka random sampling naka Yobak Maram. Ki Arp Sangut na West Garo Hills ki Kinthop Yakatway ngut ki armed force paramilitary force Iway Ibawan Phai na Barjela. Arngut naka random sampling naka Yo Rangrang Laingut ki high risk contact. Iway i random sampling naka Yo AOC Hendrengut ki random sampling na Babu Para. Iway i random sampling na Pulbarim. Iway ibayo COVID-19 na West Hills ide i high risk contact but kisan kundaingut na East Chantia Hills kiday na Lumshnong naka random sampling naka Star Cement Factory.
East Hills 30, 20 are high risk cases, 3 random sampling at Kitting Road, 2 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 4 are ILI cases, 1 is a positive case found during the random sampling at Police Bazaar. Riboy, 2, 1 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 1 is a high risk contact. South Garo Hills, 4, all random samplings at Bagmara Market. West Garo Hills 25, 11 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 1 is a returnee, 2 are random sampling at Rongram Bazaar, 3 are high risk contacts, 1 is a random sampling at AOC Bazaar, 6 random sampling at Babu Para, and 1 from the random sampling at Fulbari. West RiKhasi Hills 1, who is a high risk case, and East Janta Hills 59. All of them are Lumshnong random sampling at Star Cement Factory.